Hi everyone, this is Sai Phanindra from SQL School, assuring you complete practice-oriented lectures for more than 13 years in my training programs with more than 18 years of technical expertise, loving the subject, caring the subject right from the scratch, SQL Server, Azure, Big Data, and AI activities in the recent past. At SQL School, I am responsible for ensuring practice-oriented, carefully curated classes, completely into practice orientation. With my touch and exposure on the technology for more than a decade, let's come to the point. Which technology is the best for starters? Sometimes we do get calls on what is the best technology I need to learn, or what is the best selling technology in the market, or I'm a starter and which technology suits my profile, what kind of job I get, these kind of activities, these kind of questions. So I plan to come with a small video. It may help few folks out there. Yes, which is the best one? Database, SQL. Database, the base. Database is a boss for every career. When we say database, it also involves something called SQL. What is that? What exactly database mean? A database is a platform to store any type of data, any amount of data. You log into your bank portal, or you log into your Amazon account, or you log into your LinkedIn profile, or you log into your WhatsApp or Facebook or Insta. Yes, everywhere, anywhere, data. But where it is getting stored? Databases, fully secured, easily organized, and well planned. Yes, well planned storage platform for faster access. To work with your mobile, you need some OS, iOS, Android, etc. To work with your laptop, you require OS like Windows, Mac, etc. To operate on Excel, you require something like MS Office software. Same way, to operate on a database, our new friend, we require some software called DBMS. Like Android or iOS for mobile, Windows, Linux, Mac for laptop, MS Office for locally available Excel files. Same way here, the software name to play and work with databases, DBMS. What is that? Database Management System, a software to store, secure, and manage databases. Different companies came with different brands of DBMS in the market. Microsoft came with SQL Server almost 3 decades ago. IBM has something called DB2, again almost 3 decades ago. MySQL, Oracle, Sybase, Ingress, so on. Just like this, I go to a mobile shop, I see different mobiles from different companies, different brands. Here you come to a database shop, you have different brands of DBMS from different companies. Now, which one to choose? Depends on number one, the budget of the company, the usage, the performance, the security, etc. Now the question starts, which one to learn? Yes, I'll provide my inputs on that as well in next few minutes. Let's stay tuned. So database is a platform to store any type of data. DBMS is my house. Databases are the rooms inside my house. As simple as that. Database are the rooms and DBMS is my house. And to work with this database, we require something called SQL. What is this? Structured Query Language, a platform to store a platform to manage, a platform to operate on any database, we require SQL. To talk to a person, we need a language. To talk to database, we need SQL. As simple as that. I repeat the statement again just in case. You and me can speak each other. You can call me for clarifications. I'll be having my WhatsApp number here at the end of the game, at the end of the slides. You have it in the description box. You can chat me. We speak in a language. To talk to a person, we need one language. To talk to a pet at our home or our friend's home, we need some sign language, right? To talk to something, we need some kind of activity, some platform. To talk to database, our technical pet, we need something called SQL. Yes, SQL is a vaccine for our resume, for our profile, for our career. SQL is a vaccine, at least for the majority of the IT professionals. Why? SQL has a power to talk to database, to read and write to the database, manage, report, analyze databases. So what kind of profile, what kind of career advantages we can gain from SQL? Yes, if you are looking for something into non-coding activities, data analyst job profile, database administrator job profile, looking for mid-level coding, BI developer, and something called data engineer. If you are looking for kind of full-length coding, development, programming, yes, we have machine learning and data science activities tied up together. And we have other items like programmers, developers, etc. as well. With this information, there are different flavors of SQL and few flavors on the screen. To talk to any database, we have SQL. If the database is sitting inside Microsoft house, we use one language called TSQL, Transact SQL. Same database sitting inside Oracle Big Boss house, PLSQL. Yes, there are different Big Boss house now. The rooms are the databases. The platform to communicate is nothing but the SQL. The variant of SQL from Microsoft, TSQL. SQL is our Big Boss house. Oracle company, Oracle Big Boss house, PLSQL platform. Same way MySQL, so on. Hundreds and hundreds of types of SQL now. Yes, this particular video, a short one, planned for a few minutes, it's planned for mainly starters in mind. So I am listing few items here. Choose one of these three preferred. Which one to choose? Again, I request you to do some R&D groundwork. Then yes, you can contact me directly on WhatsApp. Glad to assist you for your future profile planning. Glad to do that. So career path for starters. The career path for starters now. Where to go for? Yes, the career start for the starters, the career building plan. Yes, get into database basics and SQL first. That's the first thing you do. And then you can happily sail and dive into either Power BI or Tableau if you are looking for non-coding or less coding data analyst job role, or BI developer or report developer job role, comparatively lesser coding. If you are looking for core development, programming, fond of coding, then yes, you can go for SQL developer job role and or Python developer as well. Multi skill set, you can plan for it. Or Python with data science. But again, data science is a vast entry. It's really vast. Very useful, but vast. So we should be very carefully guided there to sail into the data science stream. So you choose whichever you want looking for. You're looking for more into coding, green. More into non-coding, the dark color courses here, anyone you choose. And further clarifications, if any, you can always reach me. Glad to assist you. The other shade of career path, which is trending right now in the market on the screen. Yes, you have to start with database and SQL. From there, you can do data analytics with Power BI. That pairing part, SQL database with Power BI, is doing good in the market right now at this moment. As per our findings from LinkedIn and other job portals. Or alternatively, you may also opt for Microsoft SQL programming, database development, eventually step into Python. Or from data analysis, you can do data science or business analyst programs. Choose database plus data analytics or database with developer. Anyone. Either option 1 or option 2. Either of them. Option 1 or option 2. Either of them to start with. Once you complete box 1 and 2 or 1 and 3 or yellow orange, yellow green, any one as per your choice, then you can plan for the next item in future, step by step. Same journey always. With this information, at Microsoft, which is known for easy usage tools, yes, you may prefer to go for Microsoft SQL, the yellow box I'm talking about. Yes, your database and SQL can be from Oracle or Microsoft or anything else. I prefer Microsoft, though we provide training on Microsoft, Oracle, MySQL, all three we provide training. But again, I personally prefer Microsoft. I don't know, but it makes our things really cool, live, easier, user friendly. But at the same time, you may plan as per your comfort. It's up to you. Next, any further clarifications or questions, you can always reach me. You have my contact number in the signature of this particular video. I mean, in the description box as well as in the end slide. And you can always reach our team for free demo or reach me directly for doubts, clarifications, if any. Glad to assist you. At SQL School, we ensure you complete practice orientation, completely practical, completely real-time training classes. So whenever you plan to register for a course, we do conduct one small exam. Yes, let me complete my statement. You would be first attending a live online demo class or in an interactive introduction class first. And in the introduction class, we'll be having some basics of database for about 30 minutes. You would be receiving an email with the complete 30 minutes transcript or the notes. In addition to that, in the email, you will also receive one assignment test, one small registration test on email directly. You go through the notes, you attempt the questions, answer them, submit it back on email to proceed for the actual classes. It's an open book exam. But still, we need to know our participants, their learning activities, and accordingly we can happily continue for the classes. Help us with your utmost concentration once you join our classes. With this information, please find the contact information of our team for free demo registration and for career planning, resume planning, or any kind of technical questions. Please WhatsApp me and I would be happily responding during my free time. Thank you so much. Wish you all the very best from bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for your valuable time. Thank you once again. See you soon. Hear from you soon. Thank you so much. Thank you.